Okay, so the question is, my boyfriend came to the USA crossing the border, and I'm a US citizen, so we'll get married and apply for a green card. And it goes on to talk about the address and how to, which address to use and all of that. But I'm gonna pause there because when I first read this question, what stood out to me was my boyfriend came to the USA crossing the US border. So I was like, wait a minute, was he inspected at the border, or did he just like walk through or drive through or whatever? Like, how did it happen? Because I know sometimes people coming in from Canada, for example, they just drive through a car and just kind of don't really show any papers or anything like that, just go. Is that, so what does that mean? Did he just go or did he get inspected? That's something important to know before I can answer this question, because if your boyfriend did not get inspected at the border, that is receive an I-94 stamp of entry, he may not be able to adjust his status as you're planning. He may need to go back to his country and then do a consulate process from there, okay? So he's not completely disqualified, but a person who was not inspected is just not able to do an adjustment of status like you're trying to do here. So I wouldn't worry about the addresses or what to do right now. I think you should contact an immigration attorney ASAP to determine whether your now boyfriend, you're not married, so I assume you're gonna plan on getting married soon. So you get married and you try to do the process, the I-130, I-35, all of that. But I anticipate that there's gonna be a question about your I-94. There's gonna be a question about when did you come to the United States and where, like they're gonna ask all those things. So get that clear, ask your boyfriend to make sure you know exactly what crossing the border means before you get into doing the adjustment of status process, because if you spend all that money, especially since the fees are even going up October 2nd, you're not gonna get a refund. You're gonna have to do the whole process again, but consulate, okay? Hope that answered your question. Let me know if you are not clear on the process for marriage-based green card when the beneficiary, that's the immigrant, was not properly inspected, or if you were, let's say you came on a B visa, what's the process for that? So I can answer those types of questions. Let me know, hit me up, leave a comment. This book a consultation, there's ways to reach me. I'm gonna make sure you find a way to reach me. I'm gonna leave it in the video or somewhere, all right? Thank you for watching.